Are you considering music lessons for your child? At the California Conservatory of Music, we understand that the first step can often be the most daunting. This is why we offer a free music lesson to bring in this new chapter with ease and confidence. At CCM, we want to make this initial introduction a stress-free experience. Here, they'll have the chance to meet their instructor, interact with their potential instrument, and get a feel for how the lessons would work. The anticipation of something new can often stir a mix of emotions in children. Before the free music lesson, engage your child in conversations about music, discussing the instruments they're drawn to and the joys of creativity. Wondering about the instrument? There's no need to invest in an instrument for your trial lesson. CCM has you covered. We provide the instrument for the initial lesson. Should your child choose to continue, which we hope they will, we won't leave you guessing on the next steps. CCM provides a detailed list of purchase recommendations to guide you when acquiring the best instrument for your budding musician. This list is curated by our experienced instructors and co-directors themselves. It's the perfect fit if your child is eager to continue. Enrolling in regular weekly lessons is a breeze. And to sweeten the beginning of your musical journey, CCM is offering a special promotion. Every new student receives $100 off their first tuition payment. It's our way of saying welcome to our community and thank you for trusting us with your child's musical education. At CCM, we champion a holistic educational experience, fostering not only technical ability, but also a lifelong love and appreciation for music. Learn more about what to expect during your first free music lesson at CCM through our latest blog post.